In this video, I will show you to change site title and logo in Squarespace platform. So in the last video, we have created a Squarespace platform account and we have installed the template. Now simply you can select this option, customize home. Here you can see these are different options. So now we need to edit the site. Click here, this option. Then on the top, this one is the header section. So first of all we need to click here, this one, then click here, edit site header. Now here you can see site title and logo. Here you can click, then pencil icon. Now here you can change the site title. For example, let me add here enable business. Here you can add the logo file. Let me select a logo from my laptop, this one, and then select the logo file. Now here you can see logo is added at the top. Now let me scroll down. If you want to add a new menu item in your navigation menu, then you can simply click here, this button, and after that scroll down. You can add the drop down, you can add the link and different other options. So let me select this one, blank page. Here you can give the page title, collections, okay. Now we have created a new page. Now how you can add this page in the menu? Simply you can drag it at the top. Here you can see page is added in the navigation menu.